Protesters have been outside the Supreme Court since news of a leaked memo suggesting Supreme Court justices may overturn Roe v. Wade, the case guaranteeing nationwide access to abortion services.
And we are learning this hour, Chief Justice John Roberts is confirming the authenticity of that draft opinion and ordering an investigation.
The document suggests 5 justices sided with Mississippi in its case, challenging the ruling that legalized abortion nationwide. Now, it's important to note court's holding is not final until the opinion is officially published. That's not expected until late June or early July.
Now, if the opinion does take effect, there would be immediate abortion bans in nearly half of the U.S. WFXR News' Damon Reynolds is back with us this afternoon. And Damon, you talked with an expert about the political implications of both the leak and upcoming midterm elections. What did you find out?
Well, Evan, Dr. Karen Hult, political science professor for Virginia Tech, says we can only speculate on why these documents were leaked. She says on one hand, conservatives could have done this just to freeze justices in place, while on the other side, these documents could have been leaked to signal to people that this new ruling could possibly come down. Now, Hult says regardless, this is going to have a major impact on midterm elections. Right here in Virginia this fall, elections are coming up, and Democratic Representatives Abigail Spanberger, Elaine Luria, and Jennifer Wexton all voted to codify Roe v. Wade into federal law, which will likely be an issue in their political races. Now, Hult says this will also mobilize voters on both sides to further evaluate what's going to happen at the state and national level, creating concern for both parties in this election. Now, as for everyday people, this could affect those who view abortion as a right.
That has real implications for women, for men, for people in households that are concerned about access to contraception, to birth control more generally, as well as to activists that are very firmly opposed to abortion being legal in the United States.
Now, Hult says politics will be thrown into a more focused light on this issue, with people watching how this is handled. Now, Hult further says these disagreements need to be handled carefully, as they are a polarizing issue in the political space. Now, in a recent Harvard Caps Harris poll taken back in December, 54% of Americans said they opposed overturning Roe v. Wade. Back to you.